Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the new Copilot feature of the Windows Photos app. So now Copilot is integrated into Photos, so that way you could ask questions about pictures that you have on your computer. So depending on when you're watching this, you may or may not have this in your Photos app, but it's very easy to tell. So let's say we open this picture here. So you can see we have the Copilot icon. So if you click on that, it'll upload the picture and then you could ask a question about it. Or you could do other things too, such as write me a poem about this dog. All right, let's try something else here. All right, what kind of birds are these? All right, so let's try another one here. Let's do this Corvette picture. All right, so tell me the specifications about this car. And this time we're going to use the Think Deeper feature, which is another new feature of Copilot. So you may or may not have this, depending if you have this icon. So this actually makes it take a little longer to get your results because it actually does a little deep thinking, like the name there, to give you a more detailed response. So we actually did a video on this as well if you want to check that out. But let's see what it finds here. You can see it's doing the extra thinking there. All right, so here are our details about the car. So not too bad. All right, let's see if we could give it a little challenge here. All right, so what kind of guitar is this? So Stratocaster style electric guitar, so got that right. So it's not a real Stratocaster, but it is a copy. All right, let's try one more guitar one here, see if we could recognize this kind of not so common brand compared to the Stratocaster. All right, looks like I got it right. Now let's see if you could tell us where this is. Okay, it actually recognized the picture as being from Lake Tahoe, so that's right. All right, let's give this one a shot. What is shown in this image? Then it actually gives you some suggestions down here if you want to kind of get some more information about the picture besides what it already gave you. So that's pretty good too. See if you could tell us what's going on in this picture. Not bad as well. Let's try this. Can you give me suggestions as to how to make this flyer better? See what it comes up with. All right, so it found that some of the text blends into the background, increasing the font size, use a bolder font, highlight some key details, add some visual icons, unify the style, showcase the atmosphere, and reduce the clutter. All right, now it's asking, do you want me to draft some specific text or layout ideas for you? Let's see what it comes up with. All right, so it gives us an idea of what it thinks would make a good flyer with some bullet points and icons. All right, let's throw it for a loop now. See if it could tell us how big the kitchen is. I seriously doubt it. All right, so I was able to see it has the open layout, large island, and so on, but it couldn't tell me the size, which was to be expected. All right, let's try another guitar one here. Can you name any of the guitars? All right, so it was able to identify two of them, this one and this one. So that's pretty good. These other ones are kind of generic, so they don't really stand out as much. All right, one more. All right, so it sees it, but it's not really telling me that it's another version of the Windows Bloom. I'm still not seeing it. Okay, so now that I mention it, it kind of sees it. Then, of course, you have some other suggestions here as well. Let's see what happens if we click, can you show me some more examples of similar designs? All right, that's not bad. All right, so overall, it's pretty good. And of course, you probably know if you've been using Copilot, you could actually upload images manually right here. But this is a nice way just to go through your pictures on your computer and not have to do it, manually. You just click on the icon, it'll upload it for you. Then you could ask your question. All right, so once again, when you see this Copilot icon in Photos, then you'll know you have it. You can start using it. And if you don't have it, just give it a little more time because Microsoft is in the process of rolling it out, so you should have it eventually. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.